Mirror, mirror, how were you born after all? If you ever wondered about that, then welcome to the club. For most of human history, people barely knew how they looked. So, mirror is not just an invention, it was also an invention that shaped humans psychologically as well. People discovered they could see their reflections in still water. And then, 8,000 years ago, in ancient Turkey, the first ever mirrors were invented. People used polished volcanic glass called obsidian. Later on, ancient Egyptians and Romans used polished copper, but this reflection was blurry and dark. Then came the Venice craftsmen that put mirrors on a commercial platform. They produced mirrors that were so expensive, only royalty could afford them. The mirrors that were manufactured in Venice were so expensive, but also very confidential. The country believed that this was a national secret. They would not let their craftsmen travel out of the city. Do you also know that this was the point when mirrors were expensive than paintings? The real breakthrough happened in the year 1835. A German scientist named Justus von Liebig chemically coated glass with silver. This carved a path for modern mirrors. Scientists went on to use these silver-coated mirrors in telescopes, which helped humans to see deeper into space. And now, mirrors can think. They can give you updates on weather and also your fitness stats for the day. Again, to end this, mirror is not just an invention. Historians link mirror evolution to fashion, cosmetics, culture, and also self-consciousness. This invention also changed us humans psychologically forever. Just imagine a world without mirrors. What would your view be? This is episode 4 of Daily Series. Come back for the next one. Also, not to forget, stop wandering, start wondering.